If you're looking for a striking perennial that has some serious structural presence, then artichokes are a must. If purple is the color of royalty, then this beautiful artichoke has to be the queen. This guy over here is called Artichoke Violet de Provence. It's been around in South Africa for about 2 years. You can buy it as seedlings at your local garden centre, or sometimes as even established plants. But let me tell you, I'm a lover of artichokes, both to eat and in the garden. And to be perfectly honest, I grow these in these lower beds simply just for their beautiful grey architectural leaves that are more serrated than the normal artichoke. So you've got to be careful and be sure to ask for Violet de Provence. But besides these bold architectural grey leaves that just pop in the garden beds, well, the artichoke itself is that beautiful purple, splendid, held tall above the plant, and you just get that contrast between the purple and the grey, which is simply wicked. Of course, they're gorgeous to eat, really easy to prepare. Take some of the outer leaves off and just steam them, and lashings of lemon butter or even a hollandaise sauce make them oh so yummy. Remember, this guy needs to be planted after the late frost. So in a frost-free zone, you can plant them all year round, but certainly in the frost areas, you need to rather plant after the late frost. But my oh my, a true perennial, once it's had its set of artichokes, it will then start dying back and it will send up new shoots as a true perennial. What a sexy, gorgeous beaut.